14 dirty ways to make money online. They might shock you. Want to make money online without a boring 9 to 5? These 14 dirty side hustles are bold, creative, and yes, they actually work. Let's dive in. 1. Write erotic stories or scripts. Have a wild imagination. Write spicy stories and scripts. There's serious cash in romance, taboo, and fantasy fiction. No face, just words. 2. Become a virtual girlfriend. Get paid to chat, flirt, or send cute good morning texts. Use platforms like Friendly or OnlyFans and Patreon to turn your charm into dollars. 3. Go on paid dates, dinner, good convo, no strings attached, and you get paid. Sites like What's Your Price let you earn $200 or more per night. Also try Rent-A-Friend and Seeking.com. 4. Get paid to check sensitive content. Platforms need moderators for wild content. It's intense, but the pay is $15 to $30 per hour, is worth it. Try platforms like Appen, Lionbridge, and TELUS International. 5. Sell your used socks. The F#Tish market is real. List anonymously on Sniffer or All Things Worn and earn $20 to $200 per pair. 6. Become a matchmaker. Help busy people find love and get paid. Platforms like Talkify let you earn per match. If you want to go solo, you can start a private matchmaking business on Instagram, TikTok, or your own website. As a matchmaker, you can charge as much as $200 and above per client depending on your expertise and success rate. 7. Ethical hacking. Use your skills to legally hack sites and earn bug bounties on HackerOne or BugCrowd. It's safe, legal, and well paid. 8. Sell feet pics, Feet Finder, Reddit, and even Fun with Feet. Post, promote, and profit. Top sellers earn thousands monthly. High-quality pictures, well-lit shots, and themed foot content, for example painted nails, barefoot in the sand, etc., can sell for $5 to $100 per pic. Many sellers make $500 to $5,000 per month from repeat buyers. 9. Sell your hair. You can make $100 to $400 per sale. Long, healthy hair equals cash. Use Hair Salon and buy and sell hair to find buyers. 10. Sell your used lingerie. Get $50 to $300 per item. Sites like Sniffer and Sophia Gray make it discreet and profitable. 11. Participate in clinical trials. Earn up to $5,000 helping science. Check clinicaltrials.gov, Covance, and Parexel to find opportunities. 12. Sell your body fluids. Plasma, eggs, sperm, or breast milk. It's regulated and legal with high payouts. And pay between $50 to $100 per session. And you can donate twice a week, making $400 or more per month just by showing up. Plasma centers like Boy Life, CSL Plasma, and Octapharma. Bonus, breast milk, only the breast. 13. Create AI girlfriend-boyfriend bots. Use tools like 11 Labs and Descript to build digital flirts. Sell access and subscriptions. This one is passive income magic. 14. Sell handwritten love letters for $20 to $100 per page. Have beautiful penmanship? Write romantic or breakup notes for money on Etsy, Fiverr, or Instagram. Old school love still sells. Some of these might sound wild, but they're 100% real. Whether you're flirty, techie, or just creative, there's a dirty side hustle waiting for you. Drop it in the comments if you're bold enough to try one. Follow at Miss T Money Tips for more secret side hustles that actually work.